Yes, very good morning, dear students. Your PKs are live, and today we are discussing about the tips and tricks for preparatory. Dear students who are writing the preparatory exam, so before started the preparatory preparation, suppose tomorrow you have examination, how to prepare for the test I am telling to you. Dear students, no tension because the preparatory is there. So 100 marks paper and 70 marks paper and physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics and other subject it is 100 marks. You don't worry what to do, how to prepare for preparatory means. Dear students, chapter wise first you can practice 1 mark for all the chapters. Suppose you are considering 10 chapters you have or 8 chapters you have, all the 8 chapters 1 mark you finish in 1.5 hours. You can finish all the 1 mark questions. Now you have confidence about 1 mark. Then you can practice 5 marks. Whenever you practice 5 mark question, what will happen, dear students? 5 mark questions are very important because you will get very good score in the 5 marks. 6 questions they will give, particularly in mathematics. So 30 marks you will score there. 5 marks, 1 mark completed means 40 marks is in your hand, pass guarantee. Now scoring we need to try. To score maximum marks like 100 out of 100, the dear students, how to focus means you can focus on 3 marks. Same chapter wise, first chapter to last chapter, whatever chapters you have, 3 mark questions you practice. So keep some time. Suppose you have 6 questions, you have 6 questions means 6 chapters you have, dear students. In 6 chapters, so how many 3 mark questions are there? Nearly you can check it around each chapter. If you consider 8 questions, so 10 chapters are there, 80 questions will be there. For practicing each question it will take nearly 4 minutes time. So in 1 hour you can practice hardly, so more than 12 questions or 15, around 15 questions you can practice in 1 hour. So 3 to 4 hours you spend time for 3 marks. In that 4 hours you can practice only 3 mark questions. Like that time consumption you can keep it. So total day, or suppose you have only 8 hours are there for the examination. What to prepare? 1 hour you can practice 1 mark questions. 2 hours you can practice 5 mark questions. 3 hours you can practice 3 mark questions. So 2 hours you can practice 2 mark questions. Like that you can divide number of hours. When exam is very near, you can divide always the time equal to number of marks equal to practice of questions. So in this 1 hour, like evening 4 to 6, I practice 2 mark questions. Again I will take half an hour break. 6:30 to 7:30 I will practice 1 mark. 7:30 to 8 break I will take. Then 8 to 10 I will practice 5 marks. Whenever you practice 5 marks, 3 marks, 1 mark, 2 marks automatically you are aware, because 2 marks you already studied, you got very good knowledge about 2 marks. So 5 marks already completed, no need to touch the 5 marks. You can practice only 3 marks and 2 marks. Like that, the total number of hours you can divide and you can practice the questions. What to practice means, already whatever book you are practicing, suppose important questions, some other lecturer said these are important questions, first you practice those important questions thoroughly. Don't try to practice all questions at this moment. Tomorrow exam is there, today it is not possible to practice all the questions in all the chapters. That's why whatever book you have in your hand, whatever book it should be, in that book, so 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, 3 mark questions, 5 mark questions, in that book, in particular chapter you can practice. Then what will happen? Definitely you will get very good score, and you have an idea that this chapter completed, this chapter completed, this chapter completed. And morning you have examination, don't try to practice any questions in the morning time. You can sleep at around 12 o'clock. You can have a sufficient sleep, like 6 hours sleeping. Then you can wake up. Just don't practice anything. Just you see, you can remember on your mind directly this chapter, what are the important questions are there. Just you think about the questions in your mind itself. No need to practice anything when the morning of exam. Any day exam, when you wake up morning, you refresh yourself, take a breakfast, come half an hour early to the college, be relaxed. In your mind yourself you think, in this chapter these are the questions I practice, in this chapter these are the questions I practice, these are 1 mark, these are 2 marks. Like that in your mind you will only think and you will only answer your own. Okay, so these are the questions are there. If any question you didn't practice, leave it. In the examination, particularly when you are writing preparatory examination, when you are reading question, First time if you read the question paper, you think that you do not understood any of the question. ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ in any question paper. You cannot write any answer, only your register number is there. And if you want to write anything, just to write with pencil, these questions I know, these questions like that you can mark. Suppose you want to answer 10 questions, you know only 8 questions or 7 questions, no problem. First you finish all the known questions. Section wise, whatever questions you already know, you can finish first those questions, then you can go with the remaining questions. My suggestion to everybody, first you can go with the 5 mark question, next to 10 marks, next to 1 mark, next 2 marks, next 3 marks, like that you can practice. Means definitely you will get 100 out of 100, dear students. So no confusion, feel free. So cool, make your health very good, and in the examination no need tension. Whatever questions you know, first you answer those questions. So every question you know answer. Sometimes in the middle you can leave that question and go to the next question. I say happy examination to everybody. I wish you all the best, the students who are writing the preparatory examination in the next coming days. I wish you all the best once again. Your PK sir always will help you. Any question you have doubt, please in the comment column you can comment it, I can reply. Thank you very much.